The Indian Army has set its eyes on procuring the Russian-made Sprit light tanks, and the Army will take part in the trials of the system that will start in Russia in August 2021. Russia has approved Indian Army to take part in the trials of the light tanks, which will be the first time for Russia, because no other country has ever witnessed trials of a Russian product that is currently under development. The 18-ton Sprit can travel over a distance of 500 kilometers without refueling, and it features 7.62mm remote-controlled machine gun, and it also shares the 125mm gun of the T-90 tank, that allows it to fire the same kind of ammunition including guided missiles, which will lead to lower logistics and maintenance costs due to commonality of systems. The Sprit can be airlifted, and even parachuted with crew inside, and can also disembark from a naval ship. India has also floated a request for information for 350 light tanks, which should not weigh more than 25 tons, and this weight criteria will rule out many of the light tanks currently available in the market. The Aeronautical Development Establishment is targeted to achieve a huge milestone in the coming weeks, when its Rustom-2 drone will fly for 24 hours at a height of over 35,000 feet. After clearing the development trials in the next few months, a proposal will be sent to the government by the end of this year. Aeronautical Development Establishment is looking for development-cum-production agency for the Rustom-2, which could see participation by both private sector and public sector companies including Larsen & Toubro, Tata Power SED and Hindustan Aeronautics. Meanwhile, the Heron UAVs are being modified for armed capability, and 4-arm variant of advanced Heron TP UAVs have been leased from Israel, while 30-armed Predator drone steel is expected to receive clearance at the next Defense Acquisition Council meeting. Prime Minister Modi spoke on 2 sessions at the G7 Outreach Summit yesterday, and India has expressed that it will study the latest proposal by the US President Joe Biden's global infrastructure initiative known as the Build Back Better, which was announced at the G7 summit as an alternative to China's Belt and Road Initiative. The Build Back Better proposal has also been agreed by the G7 group, which came as a big jolt to the Chinese president's pet project Belt and Road Initiative. Under this plan, financial and technological help will be provided to bridge more than $40 trillion infrastructure that is needed by developing nations by 2035. According to media reports, China has started final trials of H-20 strategic stealth bombers at its Hotan Air Base from 8 June, which is opposite of eastern Ladakh sector, and the final trials will continue till 22 June. Chinese experts have said that this is aimed at ending the edge of the Indian Air Force that has been acquired through the acquisition of Rafale fighters. The H-20 subsonic aircraft has stealth features and provides long endurance coupled with capability to carry heavy payloads that could potentially dodge the detect and disable radar capability of India's newly inducted Rafale aircraft. Chinese media has also reported that a group of Type 15 tanks in the Xinjiang military region have carried out a driving training exercise with digital camouflage paintings, which was in sharp contrast with the classic dark green paint.
Omar dropped it.